friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we will see Mathemagic Workbook Standard 3rd. Now open your page number 108. Now on page number 108 we will see main 12. See here, items of a grocery shop and their prices are given below. Here the items are given and their prices also given. Put right for the correct statement and wrong for the wrong statement in the given box. Here you have to put right mark for the right statement and the wrong for the wrong statement. See, oil is there, 3 tin of oil is there, okay, and total price is given rupees 135 is given. See, now biscuit, the next box is biscuit 1 2 3 4 and 5 packets is there and total price is rupees 75. Now ghee tin is there, 4 tin is there and rupees 118. So for 1 tin it's rupees 45. Here also 1 tin of oil is rupees 45. Okay, now see in the last two box, here wheat is given and rice is given. Okay, so rice, price of wheat is 10 kg. For 10 kg rupees 250 and 10 kg rice is rupees 300. Now we will see the questions. See, question number 1, oil cost rupees 60 rupees more than a packet. A packet means one packet of biscuits. Okay, see, we have seen that one packet of biscuit. Okay, here you have to find out one packet of biscuit and it's a one packet of biscuits. You have to find out the price of one packet of biscuits. It's a total price 75 is given. Okay, so one packet of biscuit is rupees 15 and oil cost 60 rupees. 60 rupees तो 15 rupees से ज़्यादा ही है ना, it's a more. So your answer is a right. Now see the second one, price of a packet means one packet of biscuit is rupees 110 rupees, less than ghee. Is it the price of one packet is 110? No, it's one packet of biscuit is 15 rupees, so it's a wrong. Now see the third one, price of ghee and 10 kg rice all together. See, price of ghee, here you have to see the price of ghee and we have seen that one tin is rupees 45 and another thing is 10 kg rice. Okay, 10 kg rice is rupees 300. So 45 plus 300 is equal to 345. Altogether is more than 500 रुपीज़. ये 345 जो है हमारा प्राइस ऑफ 10 kg राइस प्लस प्राइस ऑफ घी, ये 345 है. तो 345 500 से ज़्यादा है, इट्स अ मोर, नो इट्स लेस. सो दिस वन, थर्ड वन ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. नाउ सी द फोर्थ वन, प्राइस ऑफ 10 kg राइस is rupees 225 rupees more than the price of a packet of a biscuit. ये तो ज़्यादा ही है ना. 10 kg राइस अगर 225 रुपीज़ है तो पैकेट ऑफ ए बिस्किट से ज़्यादा है. वन पैकेट बिस्किट इज रुपीज़ 15. ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन, सो इट्स अ राइट हियर. Now see the fifth one, price of a packet of a biscuit and 10 kg wheat altogether is less than 315. We have seen that the price of one packet of biscuit is a rupees 15. Okay, and price of 10 kg wheat, 10 kg wheat is a rupees 250. So 15 plus 250 is equal to 300. is 300 total हुआ, is less than 350. ये 350 से कम है, तो yes, it's a less than 315. So it's a right. Now see the sixth one, price of ghee is 70 rupees less than 10 kg wheat. See, प्राइस ऑफ घी अगर 70 रुपीज़ है तो वो वीट की प्राइस से कम है. वीट की प्राइस क्या है? 10 kg वीट की प्राइस 250. ओके, सी द प्राइस ऑफ 10 kg वीट इज 250. वो 70 रुपीज़ is less than 250. So it's a right here. Answer is a right. Now see the seventh one. The total price of oil and a packet of a biscuit is rupees 200. See, total packet of a oil. Total जो जितने oil है उतने total. So it's a 180. Okay, 180 is given. And it's not actually 180, huh? It's a given that 135. So already it's a wrong. And a packet of biscuit. A biscuit means 15. 195. Okay. हमारा आंसर है then 195. So here it's a given that a packet of biscuit is 200 rupees. So it's a wrong. Now see the eighth one. The total price of 10 kg rice. 10 kg rice is rupees 300 plus 10 kg wheat is rupees 250. This 300 plus 250 is equal to 550. It's a given that it's a 550 rupees. So answer is a right. Now see page number 109. See, construct main 13. Construct questions based on pictures and statement given below. Here one example is given. Here pictures is also given. Okay, this is a book shop and a bookseller sells books, and this one girl this buy the books. Now see example. In a bookstall 328 books were sold from 517 books. ये स्टेटमेंट आपको दिया है. ओके, ये स्टेटमेंट पे से आपको क्वेश्चंस बनाना है. ओके, नाउ सी क्वेश्चन. सी 328 बुक्स आर सोल्ड फ्रॉम 517 बुक्स. इन शॉर्ट 17 बुक्स आर देयर इन द शॉप. Okay, so you have to write down there were 517 books in a bookstall. Okay, उतनी books है. Here you have to make the questions. Out of those 328 books were sold. So you have to write down 328 books were sold out. Now you have to make the questions. How many books remained in the bookstall now? This way you have to make the questions. Now let's see first one. See, this is the shop of a dress. Okay, clothes shop is there and one girl buying the clothes. Now see, it's given that Hetal purchased a dress worth rupees 489 from rupees 700. Means ये जो 700 हेतल के पास ऑलरेडी है, उसमें से 700 में से उसने हेतल ने रुपीज 489 का ड्रेस बाय किया. ओके, परचेज किया. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस यू हैव टू राइट डाउन हेतल हैड 700 रुपीज. आउट ऑफ दैट सी परचेज्ड अ ड्रेस वर्थ 489 रुपीज. नव आपको क्वेश्चन ये करना है, हाउ मच मनी इज लेफ्ट with her now. This way you have to make the questions. Now see the second one. There are 278 boys and 259 girls in a school. Okay, so you have to write down in a school there are 278 boys and 259 girls. नाउ आपका क्वेश्चन वो भी हो सकता है कि हाउ मैनी टोटल स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन अ स्कूल. 278 बॉयज है, 259 गर्ल्स है, तो टोटल स्टूडेंट्स कितने होंगे? सो हाउ मैनी टोटल स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन अ स्कूल. नाउ सी द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. read 67 pages of a storybook having 390 pages. See, this is the Payal reading a storybook and a storybook के पेज कितने हैं 390 pages and she have read 67 pages. Now see, first of all you have to write down first sentence that in a storybook have 390 pages. Out of that पायल रीड 67 पेजेस. नाउ 67 पेजेस उसने रीड कर दिए, तो कितने पेजेस बाकी रहे? सो हाउ मेनी पेजेस आर रिमेन टू रीड? नाउ फोर्थ वन, देयर आर 248 ट्रीज ऑफ मैंगो. कितने ट्रीज है मैंगो के? 248 ट्रीज ऑफ मैंगो, 359 ट्रीज ऑफ गोवा एंड इन एंड ऑर्काड. एक बगीचे में 248 ट्रीज मैंगो के हैं, 359 ट्रीज गोवा के हैं. सो हाउ मेनी टोटल ट्रीज आर देयर इन द ऑर्काड? ओके, सो राइट डाउन हियर देयर आर 248 ट्रीज ऑफ मैंगो and 359 trees of guava in an orchard. How many total trees are there in an orchard? Now see the fifth question. It's a last one. Out of 800, 579 bricks were used to construct a wall. It means कि total कितनी bricks है? 800 bricks है and 579 bricks were used. उतनी 579 bricks use हो गई. So how many bricks are left? So in the questions you have to write down in the construction of wall. ये wall बना रहे हैं ना, so it's a construction of wall. Construction of wall 579 bricks were used from 800 bricks. How many bricks are left? This way you have to make the questions. Now turn your page number 110. Main question number 14. As shown in the example, arrange the numbers 1 to 7 in such a way that additions of 2 vertical columns and 2 horizontal columns become 9. See, this way आपको additions भी 9 होना चाहिए और ये भी 9 होना चाहिए. See, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. Here also 3 plus 3 6 and 6 plus 3 9. Here also same answer. Here also same answer. Okay. Now see here. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. Similarly here 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 5 9. Here 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. Here 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 5 9. See here 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. Here 4 plus 1 4 5. 5 plus 4 9. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. And here also 9. This way you have to arrange the number. Any number you can able to put, but it's a horizontal and vertical column should be becomes a total 9. Total 9 आना चाहिए. See, this way 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 2 9. Here also 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 2 9. Here 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 2 9. And here also it's a total 9. This way you have to arrange the number. Here in the books only given that 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 1 9. Here also 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 1 9. Here also 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 1 9. Here also. This way, this you have to do in the homework. Now we will see the next question, main 15. See, as shown in the example, arrange the numbers 1 to 8 in such a way that additions of vertical columns and 2 horizontal rows become 10. Here आपका total कितना आना चाहिए 10. And you have to arrange the numbers from between 1 to 8 में से आप कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं. उसका अरेंजमेंट इस तरह से करना है कि उसका वर्टिकल कॉलम भी 10 आना चाहिए और हॉरिजॉन्टल कॉलम भी 10 आना चाहिए. Now see, I have taken one number, but first of all we will see the examples are given no. Okay, see here 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 10. Here also 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 10. 2 plus 7, here 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 1 10. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 9, 10. Now see this example. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 9. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. See, here I have taken that 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 10. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 10. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, now see 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 1 10. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 1 10. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 3 10. Okay, see 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10. This you have to do in the homework. Now see main 16. As shown in the example, arrange the numbers 1 to 9. 1 to 9 ने आपको arrange करना है in such a way that additions of vertical, horizontal and slanting rows become 15. आपका ये भी 15 होना चाहिए, ये भी 15 होना चाहिए और ये भी 15 होना चाहिए. Okay, see the example. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15. See 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 4 15. Now see 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9 13 and 13 plus 2 15. See 4 plus 5 9 and 9 plus 6 15. Here also 8 plus 5 13 and 13 plus 2 15. See here I have taken 6. Now I have arranged first of all the this one number. First of all you have to put 9. Okay, so 9 I have put on here. Okay, so see first of all we make the horizontal line. 2 not 2, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 1 15. Okay, now I take this line. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 15. See similarly 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7 13 and 13 plus 2 15. See this way 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 4 15. 8 plus 5, यहाँ पे 2 and 5 तो already है. Now 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15. Okay, now here this is remaining. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 how much? 12 and 12 plus 3 15. See similarly here also and write its order alphabet in the box. You choose the correct options is there. On page number 111, see the first question. There are 482 steps to the top of the temple. टेम्पल के कितने स्टेप्स हैं? 482 स्टेप्स. आई कुड क्लाइम ओनली 279. ओके, 279 ऑलरेडी मैंने क्लाइम कर लिए. सो हाउ मैनी मोर स्टेप्स आई हैव टू क्लाइम? अब कितने बाकी रहे? सो 482 minus 279. If we do the minus, then we get the answer 203. So B is your answer. Now see the second one. In a school, there are 674 students. Out of them, 327 are girls. What is the number of boys in the school? See, 674 students minus 327 boys. So girls. So how many boys remaining? 674 minus 327. Then we get the answer 347. So your option is A is your answer. Now see the third one. what is the difference between the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number? We know that largest 3-digit is a 999 and the smallest 3-digit is a 100. So 999 minus 100. Then what we get the answer? 899. It's a D. Now see. Fourth one. There were 86 sweets in a box. There were 86 sweets in a box in a picnic. 48 sweets were eaten. पिकनिक के लिए कितनी स्वीट्स हैं? 86 एंड 48 स्वीट्स वर ईटन, उतनी खा गए. विच एक्सप्रेशंस shows how many sweets are left in the box? Left come. So obviously minus you have to do subtraction. So 86 minus 48. So your option is a C is your answer. Now fifth one. Find the difference between 739 and 498. Here you have to find the difference. So you have to do the subtraction. So 739 minus 498. So your answer is 241. D. Now say sixth one. 198 लेस देन 689. ये जो 198 है वो 689 से लेस है, तो ये आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 689 minus 198. So what answers you get? Your option is a C, 491. Now see seventh one. If circle and square you have to put the digit is equal to 100 and square minus circle is equal to 20. आपको ऐसा नंबर अरेंज करना है कि वो प्लस करके 100 आए और उसका माइनस करके 20 आए. Then the values of circle and square are, see, if we put 60 plus 40 then 100 and 60 minus 40 then 20. So your option D, square is equal to 60 and circle is equal to 40. ये आपका आंसर है. So option D. Here your chapter is completed and whatever on page number 113 let's do homework जो है वो आपको homework में करना है up to page number 115. In the next video we will see the next chapter, new chapter. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.